What up, YouTube? I'm in the lab right now. I know I've been gone for a minute. I'm back in the lab right now, and we're currently working on this design right here. We're trying to make it bigger. Try to take y'all to the process of what we go through, and yeah, let's just get right to it. This is the design right here. I did make it bigger, but as you can see right through it. It's real transparent, and this film will not go good on the screen. Not like this. So it has to be way darker. I'm gonna take y'all through the steps of what I do, what I check, so we can get a nice, vibrant, dark print so that we can burn it on this screen right here. Alright, let's get to it. So now if y'all couldn't see before, this is what it looks like. It looks really grayed out, you know? Like it's supposed to be real black, but as you can see right through it. So it's really grayed out. So I'm gonna take y'all through the steps of what I look for so I could make this a whole lot darker so that it could burn properly on the screen. Alright. And I see some people asking about my exposure unit. I've had it for a while now. It's been doing great. It's been doing great. Yeah, I got nothing to complain about it. Everything works perfectly. And we've been really burning screens with this way better than the bulb I've been using. But let me get back to it and show you what I get through. So now this is the image right here. Before we print it, let me show you. So now you want to make sure that it is in CMYK. First, you want to make sure it's in CMYK format. I go to File, Document Setup, Document Color Mode. Make sure CMYK is checked, not RGB. See, CMYK. Bam. Right? And then next, you want to go to the black. What I do is I put everything on 100. 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. The number's going to be, value's going to be 0. Okay. Now we're going to go to the print. Other thing to do is make sure that your printer is printing properly. That was another problem I was having. If you can see right here. Yes. Right here. If you can see, the blacks are really spotty. The red, the blue, the yellow is non-existent. But the black is really, like, really lines all around, zigzag lines. It's not solid. That's what I'm trying to say. It's not solid. So I ran it through again. I ran the print head cleaning, and now you can see the black is solid. The red and the blue is good. The yellow, it's not as solid, but I'm hoping that won't be a big issue because I'm really only printing black. The black isn't 100% solid either. But I don't want to change ink all over again. I'm trying to get a print. So we're going to see if we can print it through just like that without it. So now back to the printer. So now we're going to print. Let me take you out through the steps. The film I'm printing is a 13 by 19 Super B. So you got to go into setup. And don't show this again. I know what's going on. Continue. More settings. Alright, right here. You want to make sure that the paper is matte is like the best, because you get the most ink laid out on the matte. Document size Super B 13 by 19. Now, not paper cassette, but we're gonna send it to the rear paper free slot. And then we're gonna press OK. No preview here. We're gonna press print. Now before we press print here, we gotta load the paper. So this is 100%. This is waterproof inkjet film. It's waterproof inkjet film. Two side. The way you know, one side is the sticky side. The sticky side is the side that you want to print on. Load it up. Oh, sorry. Load that bad boy up. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna press print. All right. Let's see. Oh, right away. I'm mad at that. Let's see how it comes out. Now, as you can see, this image is small. I want it to be way bigger. I don't have anything I can show y'all to see how big it was. I'll show y'all on another video. But yeah, I want it to be way bigger, man. Uh, Doing streetwear fashion, notice that you need bigger designs. The bigger the better. I've done small designs, these small ones, but I'm a bigger guy, so you need big designs. And even the smaller guys are wearing bigger design shirts, so I'm gonna get it right. It's my Epson 7720 workforce. It's been doing me real justice lately. Oh yeah, I could already see how vibrant that looks. Look how black the blacks are. Yeah, so this print has been doing me justice lately. Inks are expensive, I won't lie, but I haven't converted to aftermarket inks just because I had a Epson Artisan 1430 that I did that to, and let's just say now that is non-existent. I got it downstairs somewhere and everything's clogged up. Epson won't help me because I used aftermarket ink, so I just say, you know what, let's go with authentic Epson ink for now, and it's been doing me well. As you can see, this is already looking a million times better than this. This is what we're comparing it to, guys. So you can see whatever I did, it definitely just worked. So if you're having these problems, you can do this too. Like, I used to go to FedEx for all my prints. I went there so much, I used to bring them, because with them they have a laser printer. So I used to bring them laser transparencies, and I went there so often that they just bought their own. So now I just wanted to, yeah, this looks way better. I just wanted to get my own prints done, save me the gas, save me the energy. Let's do it side by side. Save me the gas and save me the energy, and this was a great investment. All right, this is the before. See right through it. Horrible. And this is the after. Look at that. Now this will transfer perfectly. Oh, I do see a couple of the lines there. What I do, I'll make another one. And if it has it, I'll double one. But this will transfer beautifully onto a screen. Now you see, this was the size that I had before. See all the space all around? So now what I'm thinking about doing, I'm gonna remove the words down there and probably put it in the front and just make the back print a lot bigger. So it's gonna sit like this. Look at that, that looked way better. And I had to kind of like shorten the sides too, cause it was bleeding into the sides of like right here, and that's too big. You know what I mean? But this is how you do it, guys. I know I'm getting off on a rant, but this is how you do it. This is still holding strong. My Epson Workforce 7720 is doing amazing, and yeah, the design's looking real vibrant, way better, and I think that this will do it. Yeah, I'm building a brand, guys. It's called Strophy. It means Society of Thrivers, or stand for something or fall for anything. If y'all want to come tap into the community, I'm trying to build a community where we can all grow together. Because what I realized, man, in building something, you have to network. You have to be able to communicate with other people. Like, we can never do things on our own. Like, we think that we can do everything. That's why I built this. I thought I could do everything by myself. But at the end of the day, you still need photographers. You still need people to wear your clothes. You still need customers. You still need everything. So we can never do things by ourselves, bro. And I want y'all to remember this, that whenever you're striving for something great, don't think that you're the only one in the world that's striving for something great too. Get around like-minded individuals that will help build you together. Find a team of people that will help build you together. They might not be in your community. They might not be in your immediate neighborhood, but go out and find them, man. Whether it's online, whether it's in person, whether it's whatever. That's all I gotta say, man. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all interested, subscribe. We're gonna learn together. We're gonna build together. Sophie, we out.